In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to practice the plank effectively for different bodies. So this series is going to be focusing on what not to do so that you can transform mindfully and safe for your body. So let's start with the tabletop position. So from here, let's go to our tabletop, palms shoulder width apart. You can see that my palm shoulder width apart and my knees hip distance apart. Tap my toes, soften the elbows, check the alignment, make sure there's no stress, and slowly extend one knee. So make sure in this position, press your toes down without dropping the head down. Really lengthen the spine and not rounding the upper back. When you're ready, slowly extend the other knee without moving the hips. So I'm already engaging my core, okay, without sinking the belly or moving the hips. Most importantly, do not drop the head down. Stay here, breathe, lengthen the spine, shoulders away from the ears. So do not overcompensate. So do not do this. All right, so stay in neutral. And slowly come back down. And if you do have wrist pain, I'll recommend this. So let's go into our forearm plank. So shoulders over the elbows. Elbows and palms shoulder width apart. I'm going to walk my knees back. So you can see this alignment here. My shoulders leveled with my hips. My head not dropping, they're on the same plane. So I'm not rounding my upper back, I'm not sinking my belly. So stay like this, the knees down, and breathe and hold. All right, because a lot of time people will go to this position to hold. So this is not the correct position to hold. You're not going to feel it. You rather do a shorter time, but do it correctly. So if comfortable, straighten the right knee. When you're ready, left knee. Stay in the forearm plank without tensing the shoulders. Breathing. So this is not easy for someone that is new to the core, Pilates core practice. Breathing. Knees down. Okay, you can slowly walk your hands back. Walk your knees forward if you need to. So round your back. Stay in the shell stretch. Slowly curl up, coming back. Let's do counter stretch for the wrist. Clench your fist and roll it inwards and outwards. And stretch out and relax. I hope that you find these practice tips useful, because if you do it wrongly, then you can be practicing for a few months and you may not feel the transformation, or you might even strain yourself. So let's transform mindfully so that we can have a better posture, healthy spine, healthy mind. And I'll see you in the next practice.